Good morning, children. We are discussing the lesson name is sound chapter. So, in this chapter, today we are going to discuss audible range of sound. Audible range of sound. Audible range. So, what is the mean by audible? Audible means hearing range. So whatever the sounds we are hearing, the range of sounds. So what is the range of sounds? Today we are going to discuss. So we can hear the range of sounds are 20 vibrations per second to 20,000 vibrations per second. This is our human audible range of sounds, 20 to 20,000. So what are the units? Vibrations per second. Vibrations per second. 20 to 20,000 vibrations per second. This is the audible range of sounds to us. Okay. So the loudness of sound is measured with decibels. So which is denoted with D and B. Loudness of sound. Loudness of sound can be measured with decibels. Okay. Normal conversation of human beings in our classroom or in our daily life, the normal conversation is under comes in 60 decibels only. 60 decibels. Whatever we are speaking and they are listening. 60 decibels. If loudness of conversation is makes there, so then the loudness is 80 decibels. 80 decibels. Okay. If we hear continuously the loudness of sounds, if we hear continuously the loudness of sounds, we can get a hearing problem. Okay, we can get hearing problem. So some of the examples I was given here, like traffic horns, bike horns or vehicle horns, and construction sites. So the loudness of sounds will generate here, and industries areas and mines and explosions and crackers, burning of crackers and mixer grinders, washing machine and then motors. So these are examples of loudness of sounds, whether whatever the sounds are producing there, high range of sounds. So if we hear continuously the sounds of whatever the coming from the areas, so we can continuously hear, we may get a hearing problem. Okay, children. So this is the today topic, audible range of sounds. Okay. So what is the range? Again, 20 vibrations per second to 20,000 vibrations per second. This is our range of sounds. What is the audible range or hearing range of sounds? Okay, children. In next class we will discuss another topic. Okay. Right.